This is what happens when the alarm goes off when it's set to wake the dolphins. I press off, it stops the alarm. Dolphin comes out and says hi to you in the morning. This is how you set the alarm. You touch the face of the alarm and you set it for, you just touch this if you want to get up at 6 o'clock, you just push 600. You select the days of the week you want the alarm to sound, and AM or PM sets this. So that would be the last thing you choose. So if you want to get up at 6 a.m., you put 6 a.m. and now this will wake up, dolphins will wake you up every morning at 6 o'clock, except for Saturday and Sunday. Alarm on or off is just by touching this. And you have also the option to wake to other sounds. So here we have wake to dolphin selected, but we have other alarm sounds. We have chimes, nice chime sound. This is the volume that the alarm will sound. So if you don't want it loud, you can turn it down. We have, what else? We have crepe Suzette's phone. Lots of good alarm sounds. And you can also use your own music in your library. So that will wake, now the alarm will wake to a sound in my music library, but I think most people want to wake to dolphins because that's really a good way to wake up in the morning. Okay, we also have settings up here where we have a 12-hour mode, your snooze time, how long it will snooze when you hit the snooze button, and your location. You need to set this because this will automatically dim. With night mode on, it will automatically dim at night so it's not so bright. And it will do this just after sunset and just before sunrise. So it goes into night mode, reflecting what's really happening in the day. And that's the demo of Dolphin Alarm Clock. Hope you guys like it.